to Chill Love Restaurant. Table for one, sir.
Yes, please.
This way, sir. About seafood, sir.
Thank you.
Three for menu, sir.
Excuse me.
Please your menu, sir. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Would you like some water or any something drinks, coffee?
Water, please.
Is your water, sir? Excuse me. Waiter, please. What's your order, sir?
The order is Choco biscuit and strawberry nuts.
Okay, copy, sir.
A few moments later, a few minutes later, a few inches later, 12 seconds later, 3 days later, 3 weeks later, many months later, 6.5 hours later, 1 eternity later, 2,000 years later, 3:28 a.m. tomorrow, day 2, day 3, day 4.
Excuse me, sir. This is your order. Choco biscuit and berry nuts.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
A few moments later,
Excuse me, sir. May I clear your plates? Would you like some coffee or dessert?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Excuse me. Waiter, please. Excuse me, is your bill, sir? Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming. Chill Love Restaurant. Have a nice day.